In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit mileage in Expensify. If you often find yourself logging miles for work, whether it be for client meetings, site visits, or simply commuting for business purposes, keeping track of these expenses efficiently is crucial. Expensify offers a straightforward way to manage mileage expenses, ensuring that you can both keep accurate records and submit them without hassle. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to start from your workspace. This is the hub of all your activities in Expensify, so make sure you're logged in and have your workspace pulled up on your screen. If you're new to Expensify, you might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will become your go-to spot for all report-related tasks. Once you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the menu and click on Reports. This area is where you'll manage all your expense reports, and it's pivotal for our next steps. Reports in Expensify help consolidate your expenses, so you'll want to get accustomed to navigating this section with ease. After selecting Reports, the next destination in your journey is Expenses. Click on it to view all the individual expense entries you've logged. This is where all your financial journeys come together, presenting a straightforward way of viewing and managing each expense. Now, locate the expenses that indicate mileage. These entries are typically marked distinctly to ensure they stand out amidst your other expenses. It's essential to ensure that you've selected the appropriate mileage expenses to avoid any discrepancies in your records. Once you've identified and double-checked these entries, select them for submission. This part of the process is your opportunity to ensure that every mile you're reimbursed for is accurately accounted for. Finally, look towards the far right of your screen where you will find the Submit option. Clicking on Submit will send the selected mileage expenses to the appropriate party, whether that be your financial manager, HR department, or whichever entity is responsible for handling reimbursements. Remember, once submitted, reviewing everything one last time can be an excellent practice to ensure all details are in order. And there you have it, a smooth, hassle-free way to submit your mileage expenses using Expensify. Making sure you consistently update and submit your travel logs will make tracking and reimbursement much more efficient. Remember to keep your details accurate and consistent to maximize the benefits of using such a robust tool. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those expenses logged and organized.